Tasty treats, good to eat. 2-minute topics.
This is We the People, America in Black and White. I'm LG Hamilton, and this is my partner, Virgil Walker. Let's talk about the immigration issue in Arizona. Virgil, take it.
First of all, the immigration problem has been a problem for years. Now it's at the forefront because of lawmakers in Arizona made a decision to act as opposed to simply sit back and allow things to happen to them. They did what leadership should do, made a decision. Now people are proclaiming that they're racist when all they're doing, in fact, is upholding the current laws that are on the books that the federal government is responsible for executing. The federal government hasn't done it. Unfortunately, now the state government has to step in. If any of the laws are racist in the mind of the Fed, at this point they need to look at themselves, because these are the laws that they put on the books. To have immigrants from a foreign country come into our land and begin to protest is absolutely ludicrous. We could talk about this from so many different issues, but from the standpoint alone of the fact that people are out there enraged and are actually throwing bottles and inciting violence should cause us to really realize that there's something really wrong here in America with regard to our laws, and they need to be straightened out immediately. I'm for effective action. I think the government in Arizona did that. I stand by their decision.
Absolutely, Virgil. I just want to make one point, too. The Tea Party is a little over a year old, and we've yet to have one act of violence or one riot at any Tea Party except the Kenneth Gladney case, which is where in St. Louis, an SEIU member, a union member, beat up Kenneth Gladney at a Tea Party. Kenneth Gladney wasn't even a Tea Party protester. He was a vendor at the event. And yet, less than a week after the Arizona immigration law passed, the protesters of that law have already incited a riot in Phoenix. Where is the violence, people? Is it in the Tea Party or is it in the left? I'm LG Hamilton.
And I'm Virgil Walker.
And this is We the People, America in Black and White.
Tasty treats, good to eat. 2-minute topics.